Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the topic making of magnet. There are four ways of converting a magnetic material like iron, cobalt, nickel into a magnets by four methods. And today we are going to discuss these four methods. So first of all we will discuss the stroking method. Basically stroking means rubbing. So when we take a magnetic material like a steel needle and a magnet and rub this magnetic material in a specific direction with the magnet. Specific direction means we will rub or we will stroke the steel needle with the magnet from north to south direction. Like here you can see in this figure, this is the north direction and this is the south pole, north pole, south pole. We will stroke this steel needle from north to south pole. So when we stroke it with the magnet and bring it close to other magnetic materials, then this magnetic material will attract the other magnetic materials. So it is converted into a magnet by means of stroking or rubbing. So this method is called stroking method. And one thing more about stroking method, that if we repeats the stroking means we rub the magnetic material with the magnet for a large period of time, then this magnet, the magnetic field of the steel needle will be strongest. And the same thing is written here in the whiteboard, that a method in which the magnetic material like a steel needle is converted into a magnet by stroking or rubbing it with the magnet is called stroking method, and repeating the strokes increase the magnetic field strength. So this was the first method of converting a magnetic material into a magnet. Now we will move to the next one, that is contact method. In contact method we have magnet and the magnetic material, and both of them are in contact with each other, means both of them are touching each other, like here you can see in this figure. So when the magnetic material is in contact with a magnet, then it will also be converted into a magnet and attract other magnetic materials. So in this way the magnetic material can also be converted into a magnets, and this method is called contact method because both of them, magnetic material and the magnet are in contact with each other. Now we will discuss, or the question arises in our mind, that how this magnetic material is converted into a magnet when it is just in contact with the magnet. The basic reason is that when the magnetic material is in contact with the magnet, then the atoms of the magnetic materials are arranged in a particular way, or you can say that the atoms of this magnetic material line up in a straight line. For example, like here you can see that the magnetic material, the north pole of the magnet is in contact with the magnetic material. So the atoms will arranged in a way that the south pole of this magnetic material will become face or become near or become in contact with the north pole of the magnet. If this magnetic is in contact with the south pole of the magnet, then the atoms of this magnetic material will arranged in a way that it will face that the north pole of the magnetic material will face the south pole of the magnet. So when the atoms of the magnetic material are arranged in a particular direction, then this magnetic material will act like a magnet. So this was the second method of the making a magnet, and it is written here, when the magnetic material is in contact with the magnet, then it will act like a magnet and attracts the other magnetic materials. This method is called contact method, and we have also discussed the mechanism behind this forming a magnet from magnetic material. We have discussed it. Now we will move to the third method of the making a magnet from magnetic material. The third method is induction method. In induction method also we have a magnet and the magnetic material, but both of them are not in contact with each other. So when we brought a magnet into near to the magnetic material at this specific distance or at a particular distance from the magnetic material, or from the distance of a magnetic material from the magnet, this magnetic material will act like a magnet and attracts the other magnetic material. It is because the presence of magnetic field around the magnet. We have discussed in the previous lectures that magnetic field is present around the magnet. So when the magnetic material comes in the magnetic field of a magnet, then the atoms of this magnetic materials are arranged in a specific direction. So when the atoms are arranged, then this magnetic material will act like a magnet and attract any other magnetic material, like here you can see in this figure. And one thing more about this method, that the side of the magnetic material facing, like here you can say that this side is facing south pole of the magnet. So this side will become north pole. The side facing the south pole, the side of the magnetic material facing the south pole, will become the north pole, and the far side, this side, will become south pole. So this was the third method of making a magnet from magnetic material, and it is written here that when a magnet is brought near to the magnetic material like an iron nail, then the iron nail will act like a magnet due to the magnetic field of the magnet. We have also discussed the reason behind that, why this magnetic material is converted into a magnet. Now we will discuss the fourth method of making a magnet from magnetic material.